First word. Exactly. Exactly means बिल्कुल. Let's see one example. This is exactly what I wanted. जैसा मुझे चाहिए था यह बिल्कुल वैसा ही है. Second word. Father. Father means आगे. Let's see one example. Study and you will go farther. अध्ययन करें और आप आगे बढ़ेंगे. Third word. Service. Service means सेवा. Let's see one example. Feeding hungry people is good service. भूखे लोगों को भोजन कराना अच्छी सेवा है. Fourth word. She. She means वह. Let's see one example. She is a girl. वह एक लड़की है. Fifth word. Water. Water means पानी. Let's see one example. We should drink pure water. हमें शुद्ध पानी पीना चाहिए. To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.